Imagine a US company wants to hire a software engineer from abroad. Great candidate, specialized skills, but no green card. What's the visa path? Today we're breaking down the H-1B specialty occupation visa. So what exactly is the H-1B, and who does it cover?
It's a temporary non-immigrant, meaning not a green card, visa for people working in a specialty occupation. That means a job requiring highly specialized knowledge and at least a bachelor's degree in a directly related field. There are also subtypes for certain Defense Department projects and distinguished fashion models.
Walk me through how the process actually works.
For capped subject petitions, the employer first submits an electronic registration, typically in March. USCIS runs a lottery. If selected, the employer gets a labor condition application certified by the Department of Labor, attesting to wage standards. Then they file Form I-129 with USCIS. If approved and the worker is abroad, the worker applies for a visa at a U.S. embassy, then enters through Customs and Border Protection.
How long does H-1B status last, and can it be extended?
Workers are generally admitted for up to 3 years, extendable to 6 total. If you're pursuing a green card and meet specific conditions, like having an approved immigrant visa petition or a labor certification filed at least 365 days earlier, extensions beyond 6 years are generally available.
What are the biggest pitfalls to watch for?
Several. First, not being selected in the lottery means no petition that year. Second, some professions require a state license before petition approval, not just before starting work. Third, and this is new, certain petitions filed on or after September 21, 2025 require a $100,000 payment via pay.gov before filing. Missing that means automatic denial. Fourth, if you're laid off, you generally have only up to 60 consecutive days to find new work or change status.
I've heard people say the cap applies to everyone. Is that true?
Common misconception. Workers at qualifying institutions of higher education, affiliated nonprofits, nonprofit research organizations, or government research organizations are entirely cap exempt. Also, the $100,000 proclamation payment doesn't apply to previously issued, currently valid H-1B visas, only to certain new petitions filed on or after September 21, 2025.
Your checklist. 1. Confirm the job genuinely requires a directly related bachelor's degree. 2. Submit electronic registration during the March window. 3. Get your LCA certified by the Department of Labor. 4. Check whether the $100,000 proclamation payment applies to your petition. 5. File Form I-129 with all required documents. The big takeaway. H-1B has real opportunity but real complexity. Lotteries, wage attestations, and now a potential $100,000 payment for some petitions. This is general information, not legal advice. Full source is linked below. Recorded July 2026. Subscribe for more immigration breakdowns.